Pero esa cámara funcionaba.
All right, everyone. It's good to see you again. Today, we're going to continue solving problems of systematic equations into variables. All right. For obviously reasons, the difference between the last classes, today we're going to apply some application problems. All right. For example, we have a gas station that sells regular gas for $220 per gallon and premium gas for $3 a gallon per gallon. At the end of the business day, the company or the gas station, they're sold around 280 gallons of gas and receives a total quantity of money of 680, the profit that they have in that day. So basically the problem asking for how many gallons of each type of gas were sold. Obviously, this is a system equations into variables because we have two kinds of gas, premium gas and regular gas. The first thing that we must do before to establish the system equation is identify what variables we're going to use. For example, the classic variables we can use X and Y, but you can use any letter as you wish. If you want to use X, X will be represents what? We can say gallons of regular gas. This is going to be the meaning of the letter X. And the meaning of the Y variable will be gallons of premium gas. Yeah. This is the meaning from the variable X and the variable Y. Now it's time to establish the system of equations. Okay, system of equations into variables. What we have to do? Okay, first of all, remember, how many gallons do we sell, the company sold at the end of the business day? 280 gallons. That will be the combination between the regular gas and premium gas. For that reason, the first equation could be given by the quantity of regular gallons plus the quantity of premium gallons that will be equal to 280. Okay, that will be the first system of equation, a combination between those two gallons. Now, in the second part of the problem, we're talking about money. Money. So the problem established that the company sold to $20 per gallon, regular gallon, and $3 per premium. So basically, what I have to do, almost the same equation in the first one, but this time we must include the quantity of money that we're supposed to pay per gallon. So 220 regular gas. So the first equation will be given by $2.20 per regular gas plus how many dollars we're going to pay for premium will be $3. But that reason will be 3Y. And that will be equal to the total money the company received at the end of the day. And that total money will be $680. Understood under this part? Understood under this part? Okay, then. And because we have that system of equations, it's time to solve it. We can apply substitution, you can apply elimination, you can apply the graphic technique, whatever you want. So which one would you like to use? Substitution, elimination, or graph? Elimination, okay. The people have spoken, okay? So elimination method. So what we have to do, copy the first two equations, okay? X plus Y equals 280. and 2.2 or 2.20, if the same, plus 3y equals 680. All right. So we must eliminate x and y. But at the beginning, we have to choose to eliminate one singular variable. Which one? Okay, x. The people says we must to eliminate, thank you. We must to eliminate the letter x. For that reason, the only thing that I have to do to eliminate the letter x, it's simple. It's multiply only the upward equation by negative 2.20 or 2.2, because we can find out one number multiplied by one gave us 2.20 will be 2.20, right? You don't need to multiply the downward equation by one because we're going to resolve the same thing, okay? So, oh, sorry, that's supposed to be located over here, negative 2.2. The left and right side. So let's going to continue. Negative 2.2 times x will be negative 2.2x. Negative 2.2 times y, negative 2.2y equals, give me a hand, 280 times negative 2.2. Eliminate x. Negative 626, thank you. 16. Okay. Now copy the second equation. 2.2x plus 3y equals 680. We can cancel x with x. 3 minus 2.2, that will be 0.8, right? Right? 3 minus 2.2, that will be 0.8. And 680 minus 616, 680, 24, 74. Okay. No, 74, 64, 64. For that reason, at the moment, we want to solving for y will be equal to 64 divided by 0.8. 64 divided by 0.8. 80. Thank you. 80. And we have the first solution. Now, let's continue with the second one, because we must try to find out what will be the value from x. Again, we're going to copy the first equation once again. X plus y equals 280 and 2.2 or 2.20 plus 3y equals 680. Okay, now it's time to eliminate what? The y-axis. It's simple. What number multiplied by y gave us 3? That will be the same number 3. But make sure in the elimination method, we have the same number, but opposite sign. Because we have downward the number 3 positive, obviously we must use the negative number. I mean, left and right side must be multiplying by negative 3. Okay? Negative 3. And vamos a ver. Ahora sí. Negative 3. So we got negative 3x minus 3y equals, please give me a hand. 280 times negative 3. 840. Okay, and we got 2.2x plus 3y equals 680. Well, we can eliminate y with y, and negative 3 plus 2.2 will be negative 0.8x equals, the another one will be equal to 680 minus 840, negative 160. And because we are looking for the letter X, that will be equal to negative 160 divided by 0. Negative 0.8. 200. Thank you. So we are basically find out the solution set of this equation. So in math proportions, the solution set will be provided by 200, 80. That will be the solution set. But remember, because this is a word problem, you must give it an answer like a word problem. So what was the question? The question was, how many gallons of each type of gas were sold? So you're supposed to respond. Were sold 280 gallons of regular gas and 200 gallons of regular gas and 80 gallons of premium gas. This is going to be the final answer of the problem. Questions? Questions? ¿A dónde? ¿En la roja o en la azul? En la roja, porque ya cuadraba, pues sí, por todo lo mismo. Entonces no hay sentido poner uno abajo, pues. Porque acuérdense que para eliminar uno de los dos tiene que ser positivo y el otro negativo. Si los pongo los dos positivos, se suman, no se le cancelarían. Y si los dos fueran negativos, tampoco. Tienen que ser opuestos, signos siempre. No importa. La idea es que uno tiene que ser positivo y el otro tiene que ser negativo. Okay, this is the elimination method. All right, then let's go to solve another example. A quick example. Yeah, just a quick example. Don't worry. More than we don't require more than 5 minutes to solve the problem. Okay, this is an arithmetic problem. Number 2, it said, find two numbers, find two numbers, find two numbers whose sum is 34 and whose difference is 10. Come on. We don't need more than 5 minutes. Quickly. All right. The letter X represents number 1 or number 8. And Y represents number B. Okay? Basically, to create the system of equations, it's in this problem, it's simple because they're asking for find two numbers whose sum is 34. Two numbers, we don't know what numbers are, right? So the numbers in this situation will be provided by X and Y. X and Y. So X plus Y will be equal 34 because their addition equals 34. And the second equation, whose difference? So X minus Y will be equal 10. We have the system of equations. We can use substitution, elimination, or graph. Well, if you really want to use elimination, copy once again the equation over here. X plus Y equals 34 and X minus Y equals 10. As soon as you can see in the green one equation, you don't need to multiply to eliminate y-axis. You don't need to multiply by any number because we have positive y upward, negative y downward. So we can eliminate at once. Okay. X plus X, 2X. Y minus Y can be canceled. And 34 plus 10 will be 44. And because the number 2 is multiplying, passes to divide. 44 divided by 2 will be 22. Now, in the second equation, almost done. We're almost done. We can copy, again, second equation, X plus Y equals 34. X minus Y equals 10. Obviously, we must eliminate the letter X. Upward and downward, both numbers are represents the number 1. So basically, we can multiply by -1 the upward equation or downward equation to create the letter X in negative symbol. I'm going to copy the downward equation by -1. Actually, you can copy the -1 downward or upward, it doesn't matter. At the end, the result will be the same. And we have X plus Y equals 34 over negative X plus Y equals -10. We can cancel X with X, and Y plus Y equals 2Y equals 24. Y equals 12. For that reason, the answer for this problem will be the numbers are 22 and 12. Okay, guys, this is a samples. Have a good day. Thank you so much for the attendance. See you tomorrow if God wills. Take care of yourself. And thanks for screw the video. Permítame.